Good morning. Today we are talking about application of safety-related work practices and procedures. And you might be asking yourself, what are these safety practices and procedures? Basically, they are rules that need to be followed by the workers in order to avoid any accidents. These can be things like wearing helmets, wearing special gloves, or following certain steps before working with dangerous equipment. There are a few key points that need to be followed to successfully apply related work practices. This include check for risks. Um, that means checking for any hazards like slippery floors, broken equipment. Uh, Basically, if something looks off, it's time to fix it right there before continuing with the work. There's also training. Everyone should be trained on how to stay safe. Uh, that means knowing the procedures for the equipment you're working on, um, or how to use safety gear, or what to do in case of an emergency. You also need to have clear communication. That means everyone knows the safety rules and where to report any problems. If someone sees something dangerous, they report it to their supervisor immediately before continuing with the work. Uh, there's also taking care of equipment. Keeping tools and machines in good shape is another big part of safety. You don't want to use anything that's broken or damaged. That includes the connection, the cord. Regular checks and maintenance can help and reduce the risk of accidents. Supervision. Managers and supervisors play a big role as well. They make sure everyone's following the rules, procedures, and they're there to help if anything is wrong. Emergency plans. And last but definitely not least, uh, you have to know how to act if an emergency happens. Where's the closest hospital? Um, CPR, AED, how to use that. In conclusion, safety isn't just about following the rules. It's about creating a habit of looking out for each other. When everyone follows safety practices, it keeps the workplace safer, and everyone can do their job without worrying.